Are you tired of dealing with weak bonds and unreliable adhesives for your drywall projects? Ever wondered which wood glue can give you that perfect, long-lasting hold? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, choosing the right adhesive can make or break your project, literally. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 wood glues for drywall, ranked from good to the absolute best. Stick around to find out which glue will take your projects to the next level. 7. Loctite Construction Adhesive. The Loctite Construction Adhesive is a versatile, water-based adhesive designed for a variety of construction applications. It bonds to materials like wood, drywall, metal, and concrete, making it a go-to option for general-purpose use. One of its standout features is its ability to bridge minor gaps on uneven surfaces, which can be particularly helpful when working with imperfect materials. Additionally, it has a low VOC formulation, making it safer for indoor projects while still being suitable for outdoor use. During testing, the adhesive performed adequately on lightweight materials and smaller projects. It cures to a strong bond and resists moisture, which is useful for areas exposed to humidity. However, one noticeable drawback is its relatively slow curing time compared to other adhesives on this list. While it begins to set within 15 to 20 minutes, it requires up to 24 hours to fully cure. This can delay progress on time-sensitive projects. Another limitation is its holding power under heavy loads. While it works well for basic drywall and wood applications, it struggles with high-stress or load-bearing situations. Additionally, the adhesive can be slightly messy during application due to its consistency, requiring careful handling to avoid excess spillage. On the plus side, the Loctite Construction Adhesive is easy to clean up with water while still wet, making it user-friendly for beginners or DIY enthusiasts. It's also paintable after drying, allowing for seamless integration into your project's final look. Despite its limitations in strength and curing speed, this adhesive remains a reliable choice for light-duty tasks and smaller repairs. Number 6. Loctite PL Premium. The Loctite PL Premium is a polyurethane-based adhesive that stands out for its superior bonding strength, 3 times stronger than traditional construction adhesives. It bonds a wide range of materials, including wood, drywall, concrete, metal, and even foam insulation. Its versatility makes it ideal for both interior and exterior applications, as it's water-resistant and performs well in extreme temperatures or high humidity environments. What impressed me most during testing was its durability and ability to work on wet or frozen surfaces without compromising bond strength. This feature is particularly useful for outdoor projects or situations where weather conditions are unpredictable. Additionally, the adhesive cures without shrinking and offers excellent gap-filling capabilities for uneven surfaces or subfloor installations. However, there are some challenges with this product. Its thick consistency can make application more difficult than other adhesives on this list. You'll need a quality caulking gun and some effort to dispense the product evenly, something that might frustrate first-time users or those working on intricate projects. The curing process also requires clamping during the initial phase and takes up to 24 hours to fully set, which might not suit fast-paced projects. Despite these drawbacks, the Loctite PL Premium excels in strength tests. It held up impressively under weight stress during trials and outperformed many competitors in similar conditions. It's also VOC compliant and safe for indoor use despite its robust formula. For demanding tasks where durability is key, this adhesive delivers excellent results. Number 5. Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue. The Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue is a high-performance adhesive that lives up to its reputation as one of the most durable options available for woodworking and drywall applications. This glue stands out for its ANSI HPVA Type 1 water-resistant certification, making it fully waterproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're working in humid conditions or exposed environments, this glue holds strong against moisture and temperature fluctuations. During testing, I found that Gorilla Ultimate Glue provides an extended open assembly time of up to 15 minutes, perfect for aligning materials before clamping them together. It requires only 20 to 30 minutes of clamping time before setting firmly and fully cures within 24 hours. The glue dries to a natural wood color without foaming or expanding, ensuring clean aesthetics for visible joints or surfaces. One of the standout features of this glue is its versatility. It bonds well with wood, but also performs admirably on other materials like drywall when used in repairs or installations. Its ability to withstand extreme temperatures makes it an excellent choice for outdoor furniture or construction projects exposed to harsh conditions. However, there are limitations worth noting. While Gorilla Ultimate Glue excels in water resistance and durability, it's not recommended for structural or load-bearing applications. Additionally, its thick consistency may require extra effort during application. Shaking the bottle vigorously can help improve flow if needed. Overall, Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue combines strength with convenience. It's easy to clean up with water while wet and sands smoothly once dried. For general woodworking tasks or drywall repairs requiring long-lasting performance in challenging environments, this glue is an outstanding choice that balances reliability with ease of use. 4. Titebond III Ultimate. The Titebond III Ultimate is a game-changer in the world of wood adhesives. As the first one-part water cleanup wood glue to achieve waterproof status, it's a favorite among professionals and DIYers alike. Its ANSI HPVA Type 1 water resistance certification ensures it can handle both interior and exterior applications, making it ideal for projects exposed to moisture or requiring long-lasting durability. Whether you're constructing outdoor furniture or repairing drywall, this glue provides unmatched reliability. One of the standout features of Titebond III is its extended open assembly time. This gives users more flexibility to align materials precisely before clamping them together, which is particularly useful for intricate or large-scale projects. Additionally, it performs well in cooler temperatures, with a choke point as low as 47 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for use in less than ideal workshop conditions. During testing, its strong initial tack and superior bond strength were evident, holding up under significant stress without failure. What makes Titebond III even more versatile is its ease of use. It cleans up with water while wet and sands easily once dried without softening. This glue is also FDA approved for indirect food contact, making it safe for projects like cutting boards or kitchen utensils. However, one minor drawback is that it dries to a medium brown color, which may not blend seamlessly with lighter woods unless stained or painted over. Despite its slightly higher price point compared to other wood glues, Titebond III's performance justifies the cost. Its ability to combine the durability of polyurethane adhesives with the ease of use of aliphatic resins makes it a top-tier choice for both professional and personal projects. 3. Elmer's E7310 Carpenter's Wood Glue Max. The Elmer's E7310 Carpenter's Wood Glue Max is a powerhouse adhesive designed for both interior and exterior applications. This glue stands out due to its unique formula that incorporates real wood fibers, enhancing its ability to stain and blend seamlessly with wooden surfaces. If aesthetics are crucial to your project, such as when repairing drywall or crafting furniture, this glue delivers exceptional results. During testing, Elmer's E7310 demonstrated impressive bond strength. In fact, the wood itself often broke before the glue joint did, a testament to its durability. It's also ANSI Type 1 waterproof certified, making it suitable for outdoor projects exposed to moisture or varying weather conditions. The glue resists heat, mold, and mildew, ensuring long-lasting performance even in challenging environments. What truly sets this product apart is its ease of use. It's non-toxic, cleans up easily with water while wet, and dries without foaming or shrinking. Its thick consistency ensures that it stays in place during application, reducing mess and improving precision. Additionally, it sands smoothly once dry, making it an excellent choice for finishing work. However, one limitation is that this glue isn't ideal for structural or load-bearing applications. It's better suited for aesthetic repairs and general-purpose woodworking tasks. Also, while its thicker formula is great for staying put during application, it may require a bit more effort to spread evenly across larger surfaces. Overall, Elmer's E7310 strikes an excellent balance between strength and user-friendliness. Whether you're tackling small drywall repairs or creating intricate woodwork designs, This glue offers reliable performance with a professional finish. Number 2. Titebond II Premium. The Titebond II Premium earns its place near the top of this list due to its exceptional performance and versatility. As the first one-part wood glue to pass ANSI Type II water-resistant standards, it's perfect for exterior woodworking projects like outdoor furniture or birdhouses. Its ability to withstand moisture makes it a reliable choice for drywall repairs in damp areas like basements or bathrooms. During testing, Titebond II impressed with its strong initial tack and fast setting speed. It begins bonding within minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. This adhesive also boasts superior sandability once dried and doesn't interfere with finishes like stains or paints. For those working on food-related projects such as cutting boards or kitchen utensils, you'll be pleased to know that Titebond II is FDA approved for indirect food contact. One potential downside is its relatively short open assembly time of 3 to 5 minutes at room temperature, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you need to work quickly when aligning materials before clamping them together, a challenge for complex setups requiring precise adjustments. Additionally, while it's weather-resistant enough for most outdoor applications, it's not fully waterproof like Titebond III. Despite these minor drawbacks, Titebond II remains a standout option thanks to its strength and versatility. It's easy to clean up with water while wet and works well on various materials beyond wood, including fiberboard and chipboard, making it a must-have adhesive for any toolbox. 1. Starbond Super Fast Thin. Taking the top spot on our list is the Starbond Super Fast Thin, a cyanoacrylate Ca adhesive that redefines versatility and precision in woodworking and drywall applications. This industrial-grade superglue features an ultra-thin viscosity that allows it to penetrate deep into cracks and pores through capillary action, perfect for stabilizing fragile materials like softwood or ceramics. What makes Starbond truly exceptional is its rapid curing time. It bonds in just 2 to 5 seconds without an accelerator. This instant adhesion saves time on repairs and ensures a secure hold almost immediately after application. During testing, this adhesive excelled at filling hairline fractures in wood and repairing small cracks in drywall with minimal effort. Starbond isn't just about speed, it's also highly adaptable. It works on a wide range of materials beyond wood, such as metal, rubber, ceramics, leather, and even gemstones, making it ideal for mixed material projects or intricate repairs. For decorative applications like inlays or finishes on wooden bowls or pens, Starbond delivers a stunning glass-like result when sanded and polished. However, because of its fast curing time, there's little room for error during application. You need steady hands and careful planning to avoid mistakes. Additionally, while Starbond creates a strong bond for most uses, it isn't suitable for heavy-duty structural applications where traditional wood glues might perform better. Despite these considerations, Starbond's Super Fast Thin stands out as the ultimate choice for precision work requiring speed and versatility. Whether you're repairing drywall cracks or creating intricate woodworking designs, this adhesive offers unmatched performance that earns its place as number 1 on our list. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 7 wood glues ranked from good to unbeatable. Whether you're tackling basic drywall repairs or intricate woodworking projects requiring precision and durability, there's something on this list for everyone. So which glue will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips on making your DIY projects stick together, literally.